Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys two different ways in which you can make iced tea. So I'll be sharing two recipes. One is lemon and mint iced green tea and the other one is orange iced tea. But before we begin with this recipe, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure that you click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that said, let's start making the lemon and mint iced green tea. So let us start with slicing 2 lemons. Let's slice an orange. We will need that for the second iced tea that we're gonna make. So next, let's boil 1 cup of water. And when the water starts boiling, we will switch off the stove and add in 2 teaspoons of green tea leaves. You can also use tea bags if you want. And now we're gonna let it brew for around 3 to 4 minutes. Once that is done, we will strain our tea with the help of a strainer. Let's add in 1 teaspoon of honey. It will give a very nice and sweet flavor to our iced tea. You can also use sugar instead of honey, but honey is a bit healthier. So now we need to wait for the tea to cool down. So you can also put it into the refrigerator if you want, so that it cools down a bit faster. Add some ice cubes in a glass. Some lemon slices. Mint leaves. And pour the green tea that we made earlier into it. Our lemon and mint ice green tea is ready. For the second recipe, that is orange iced tea, we need to boil 1 cup of water with 2 teaspoons of black tea leaves for around 2 to 3 minutes. And once that is done, we will strain it. And let it cool for some time. Add some ice cubes in a glass. Some orange slices. One teaspoon of honey. Mint leaves. And finally, pour the tea. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can watch many more amazing videos like this one. And have a wonderful day guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.